Truls Moregard, the new king of table tennis. Truls Moregard is only 20 years old. He was born on 16 February 2002. Zhang Jike was also born on 16 February 1988. He is the blockbuster teenager in the World Table Tennis Championships in Houston. Will be he the next king of table tennis? What is Truls Moregard's personal life and how did he train to become a world-class player? Truls Moregard's life revolves around competition. He is quite good at adapting to new situations and people. During training, he stays laser-focused and unflappable. His playing style and his equipment are modern styles. Table tennis is Truls Moregard's life. In order to achieve his goal of becoming the best in the world, he puts in 30 hours of hard effort each week. Truls Moregard grew up in a table tennis family, thus it was only natural that he pursue table tennis as a sport. His first hits come at the age of 6 on a miniature table tennis table at home. While still a youngster, he routinely attended training sessions held by the local soccer team in Hellbender, a sleepy village in southern Sweden. His father Karl was a junior coach, and his older brother Mant and Alice had already played there. Truls Moregard's training routine. Training is needed. Increase contests. You feel more delight and disappointment when you win than when you lose. A chance to compete against some of Europe's top young players came his way during the annual Euro Mini Champs tournament in Strasbourg, France, when he was just 11 and 12. He was the only other player to win the competition 2 years in a row. This gave him a little extra oomph.
And of course I want to say thank you to all my friends and family for watching every game and supporting me. They mean everything to me, so big thanks to you. Love you.